Yes, you read it right. No more nested if, which means no more worry to count the close parentheses. Less chances of making mistake and more chances to get in love with Excel. So today me Nawaz going to teach you new function known as ifs, or you can call it as if-s function, which is available in Excel 2019 or Office 365 version.
So guys, welcome to my channel. For any further queries or concern, do write me on the below email ID, or you can leave a message in the comment box. So without any further ado, let's get started. So in this example, I am going to show you both the thing nested if as well as ifs function. So you will get the clarity why I am telling that no more nested if function over here. Okay, but yeah, you need Excel 2019 or else you need at least Office 365 subscription to get this function. Okay, so over here I have taken an example of 31 entries. I have 5 different names such as Sumit, Amit, Ravi, Ajay and Vijay. Okay, so what I have to do over here, I have to allocate commissions over here based on the names. So over here we can do this in multiple ways, but right now we are just assuming that we don't know any other way and we only know the nested if function over here. Okay, so how we will do it? So I'll show you how to do it in nested if, then I'll show you why I am telling to do it in ifs function, because it's going to save your time. If you are using ifs function, there will be less chances of making mistake over here. Okay, so uh, first let's see using nested if function. Okay, so what I will do is I will come to the D2 column and I'll start writing a formula over here. So we are using nested if function, so I'll start up with if. Okay, so if our first logic, if the name is equal to what? If the name is equal to Sumit, okay, then we want what? We want value to be 750, because the commission for Sumit is 750. So what we will do is, if B2, if your range B2 is equal to Sumit, then 750, or else as we are doing nested if function, so again if the condition is getting fail or false, then what we have to do, we have to enter to other if function. So again I will start up with if again we will give like if B2 is equal to now Amit. Okay, if B2 is equal to Amit, then what? Then 800, right? Again one more if over here, if B2 is equal to what? Ravi. If it is equal to Ravi, then what? It is going to 850. Okay, now more two are remaining, then again a if over here, then if B2 is equal to Ajay, then what? Then 650. Again one more if it is equal to, if B2 is equal to what? Vijay. If it is equal to Vijay, then what? 900, right? If it is not equal to Sumit, if it is not equal to Amit, if it is not equal to Ravi, then it is not equal to Ajay, or else it is not equal to Vijay, then what? Then what I will do is just put a blank. Okay, then parenthesis close. So we have used 5 ifs over here, 5 if over here, so we have to close 5 parentheses over here. Okay, 1 2 3 4 and 5. So this way we have to count. If we are using a less parenthesis close over here, our function will give an error over here. So this was the issue with nested if function. We have to count how many if we have used and we have to close that many parentheses over here. So we have done with the formula. See, I have got an error here. There is a problem with this formula, not trying to type a formula. Okay, so now I have to troubleshoot what is the exact issue I have done over here. Okay, so see, everything is okay. Okay, let us troubleshoot the formula over here. So see, for 650 I have used a double quote over here, so that was my mistake. So what I will do is I will just delete that double quotes over here and I will hit enter over here. Okay, so see, our formula is ready over here. So this was based on nested if formula. So now we are going to see how to use ifs formula over here, or else you can call it as if-s function. before using it, you should know that your Excel should be 2019 or you should have at least Office 365 subscription over here. So we'll start up with is equal to ifs function. Okay, let us see what the description says. Check whether one or more condition are met and return a value corresponding to first true condition. Oh, okay, so I'll open up the parenthesis. So over here it's asking for logical test 1. So our logical test 1 is what? If B2, cell B2 or cell reference B2 is equal to what? Is if it is equal to Sumit, then we want what? 750 over here. Now we'll put a comma over here. See the the argument, it's saying logical test 2, so we don't have to write if again and again. So what I will do is, our second logic is what? B2 is equal to Amit, then what? Then 800, again a comma. Then third logic, our third logic is B2 is equal to what? Ravi, then what? If it is equal to Ravi, then 850, comma. Our fourth logic, if B2 is equal to what? If it is equal to Ajay, then what? 650. Our last logic, if B2 is equal to what? If it is equal to Vijay, then how much? 900. See, we have passed all the 5 logic over here. Now we have just opened one parenthesis over here, not 5 if over here. So we have just opened one parenthesis over here. So what we have to do is, at the end we just have to close one parenthesis, so we don't have to count how many logics we have given over here. Just open one parenthesis, just close one parenthesis and hit enter. You will get the same result. Now let us drag both the formula to see whether both the results are matching or not. Function are giving the exact same result. Okay, so let's see the difference between both the functions. So what I will do is, I will just select this to range and I will show formula. I will use show formula option over here. See, you can see or make out the difference between both this formula. How simple is ifs function and how complicated is nested if function. Now you decide what you want to use. You want to go with the simple form or you want to go with the complicated form. Okay, so for your practice, even you can use this file which will be available in the description, which is absolutely free. You can download this file from the description and you can practice the same example what we have done over here. So hope guys you find this video interesting. If you find this video interesting, do like the video and subscribe the channel to get latest update. So we'll stop for today and we'll meet up with a new video. Till then, bye bye.